So, have you ever designed a project and didn't really think about the style? You might have designed a project based solely on the content, but haven't decided on a style yet. And today I will show you how you can find a style that you like after and apply it completely to your whole Canva file. So let's say I created this document and I wanted to change it into a more colorful and playful style. So what I would do is go into templates here and then just search colorful. And then you can find that this is a completely different vibe, but that's fine because Canva can actually pull the colors and elements and fonts that you like from a certain template and apply it seamlessly. So let's try one. So right now, this is kind of like a minimalist modern style, and I want to do something that is more bold and more colorful. So let's say I want to use something like this. All you have to do is go into the three dot and you will see that you can apply text only, apply colors only, or apply elements. We might not want the elements right now, but if you apply text, this will completely change and pull the fonts that are currently in here. And so you can see if this is to your liking. And I also want to use the color scheme here. So I'll just apply colors. Currently this is white, so you probably can't see it. So let's change the background. So this is more colorful and you can see that this is white. That's the same kind of color scheme that's happening here. And let's say we want to apply all these stuff that's on here. So you can apply elements. And then you can grab the background that's part of this document and transfer everything on here without having to move all your existing content to a new file. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to follow for more.